Did you know that in California, when you die, and if your house is subject to probate, that California does not care about your mortgage? You could have a $1 million mortgage on your property, but it's only worth $800,000, and the probate fees would be due on the $800,000. Here in California, probate can be tens of thousands of dollars depending on the fair market value of your interest in the property on the date of your death. You can run your own numbers using the probate fee calculator on my website. The fees are shocking and they are completely avoidable by transferring your interest in real estate to a revocable trust. Let's take a look at some numbers. The Fonte Law PC website has a probate fee calculator. So what is probate? It's a court process that ensures that when you die, your assets go to the people that you've identified in a will or to the people that the state has identified as your bloodline next of kin. Why don't we like probate? Because it takes forever. Because, as I'm going to show you in a minute, it's crazy expensive and because it is incredibly stressful. Those of you who are married might be thinking, what do I care? It's all going to go to my spouse. Well, not necessarily. California is complicated. And just because you're married, it doesn't mean that your spouse automatically inherits all of your property. So what are the probate fees? Well, let's take a look. Let's scroll down and we can do some examples. Let's say that you own a condo worth $800,000. And let's say that your mortgage is $600,000. You'll notice there is not a space to add in your mortgage. And you know why? The state of California doesn't care. The state of California doesn't care if the mortgage is $1 million. The state of California just doesn't care. They want the fair market value, and then they are going to say that your state has to pay the lawyer minimum $19,000, and that your state has to pay the executor a minimum of $19,000. If that person would like to be paid, they can say, no, it's okay. I don't want to be paid. But if they do, it'll be $19,000 for a total of $38,000. And this doesn't include any costs associated with court filings and notifying creditors and all of the other things that are associated whenever somebody passes away. Let's look at $1.5 million. So now we're up to $56,000 just because you didn't transfer your most valuable asset, your home, into a trust. Maybe you're a real estate investor. Let's look at $4 million. Now we're over $100,000 wasted. There is no value for any of this from your estate if you fail to transfer your real estate to a revocable trust. My name is Patricia DeFonte and I hate probate. I am the founder of Fonte Law, where we practice estate planning with heart. We work with clients all over California on Zoom.